Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, number one son.
God, it's going to be a little bit late, but it's still with our love. It's sorry it's a little late, but we love you. I hope you have a great day, resting, or whatever you want to do. May you be blessed in Jesus' name. Love you.
You see, I'm the silent partner of this partnership. She does all the talking. And I do all the listening.
Who's talking? Who's talking now? Who's talking now? Oh, Lord, have mercy.
Have a happy birthday, son.
All right. Love you.
Okay, Reese.
All right. Okay, we'll get ready to go to bed.
You got my shoe in here. You got my shoe in here, girl.
Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Love you.